guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this is like the second time you are actually seeing my face on this channel, because even though my channel art says that I upload weekly, but like I upload rarely on this channel because I'm so busy with my main channel, and plus, you know, other things which are happening in my life. I think it was really difficult. I made this channel. I'm gonna be more serious about this like in coming future, because I just announced like in my on my main channel that I'll be moving from this house. So if you guys want to check what is the announcement, you can go to that channel. But I will be moving, so most probably by August I'll be more serious about this channel as well. I'll upload weekly, as I said. And today I want to do a rant video. I just want to talk to you guys because I made this channel because I want to speak my mind. I want to speak what I want to speak. I wanted to be able to talk to what I want to talk to you about, and because on that channel it's more professional and you can't just talk about stuff. Yeah, you can't just talk about stuff that you want to talk about. Okay, so today I want to share one of my childhood memories with you guys. If you guys don't know that I am from Uttarakhand, I've never lived there, but my parents are from there. But I always visited there once or twice a year just to meet my grandma, because she lives there, because she loves that place and this is her wish to die on that spot. She doesn't want to come with us because she feels if she'll die here, she will go to hell, and if she will die in Uttarakhand, she will go to heaven. That's just how she feels. But I love her so much. She's like 85, but let me tell you, if you look at her, you will not feel that she's like 85. I think I don't know if I have shared with you guys, like around a 1.5 month back, she actually climbed a tree. Okay, she climbed a tree for some fruits, and she's like 85, and she fell down and she broke her leg. And this is not the first time she has done that. She has done this many times, but this time it was worse because she broke her leg. Earlier it was like she used to fell down and yeah, she'll be okay. But I know my grandma sounds like a brat, because at this age a grandma climbs a tree sounds like stupid. Even though I can't you know, dare to like climb a tree, I can, but I don't want to, because I don't want to hurt myself, like broke my hand or broke my feet, something like that. And she done that, and she was like hospitalized. She got like surgery and everything done, and now she's fine, completely fine, completely okay. And I have warned her not to climb trees again, because she is someone who is known in my village in climbing trees. Yeah, she can climb bamboo trees. She can bamboo plant, or bamboo is a plant or a tree, I don't know. So she can climb a mango tree. She can, because we have a lot of fruits trees around our house in Uttarakhand. We have a lot of greenery and we have a lot of fruits. So whatever you want to eat, you can just go climb a tree and, you know, get it fresh from the tree, rather than going to a supermarket and stuff like that. So yes, I want to share my childhood memory with you guys. I really want to share a song, because from last night, I don't know, for some reason this song is just playing in my mind again and again, because I remember I've been like I remember as I was a kid, we used to like dance on this song a lot, and this is like one of the favorite songs of Uttarakhand kids. If you're somebody from Uttarakhand, you would know it, but if you're not, I still want to share with you guys. And it's not like I'm going to sing. I'm not going to like play a song or something like that. I'm not a singer. I am completely not a singer. I'm a bathroom singer, but I love to sing, because why not? And so I'm going to just give you some lyrics of this song. Maybe you will like it, maybe you will not. I think this is the time I do more videos, like rant videos on this channel, so that I speak my mind, what I feel, what I don't feel like about. So the song goes like that. Let me just warm up my vocals. So, गाड़ी चलेरी रोड मा, कोयल बासोरो बासा बोट मा, झंझाव चेली पहाड़ गाड़ी मा, झंझाव चेली पहाड़ गाड़ी मा, कसरंगीलो फूलो डिस्को साड़ी मा, कसरंगीलो फूलो डिस्को साड़ी मा, मोहने की चेली प्याज काटने छु, मोहने की चेली प्याज काटने छू 10-10 का नोटा रोज कमले छो 10-10 का नोटा रोज कमले छो गाड़ी चलेरी रोड माँ कोयल बासोरो बास बोट माँ. So this is how this song goes, and I really want to share with you guys because I was singing from last night, and I was just missing my Uttarakhand so much for some reason. If you guys don't know, it's my wish. It's my wish to live there completely because I know I live far away from Uttarakhand, but this is a place where I see myself dying. I don't know if you guys can understand it, but I really love that place. I really admire. For me, Uttarakhand land is like temple. If you guys don't know, it's like temple for me. And I hope you guys know that I'm a follower of Lord Shiva, and I know Lord Shiva loves mountain, and there are a lot of beautiful temples of Lord Shiva in Uttarakhand, and which I really miss and love. And this is the reason I was missing this song a lot. This is like my childhood song, and I just love it. I thought of sharing with you guys because you guys are my sisters now, or like my friends, whatever you want to call it, because I know boys will mind if I say that you guys are my sisters. You guys are my friends, my sister, whatever you want to call it, but I really want to share a precious thing of my life, and really want to look back at this video when I'll be like 50, 60, whatever, and see myself singing this song. Yeah, so I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to my main channel, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias because I do share my personal life there. And I will see you guys in my next video with another rant video or something like that, maybe cooking video or maybe a vlog or something like that. But I love you guys so much. Keep watching and stay tuned for more videos.